Is she all done or does she want more? She looks like she's still hungry. Can you tip? Oh, there you go. Can you tip it up for her? Oops.
Lucy mad.
Is Lucy mad? That was a strange noise she was making, wasn't it? Can you tip it up so she can? Oh, good girl. That's perfect. You were doing a lot better before. You need a little help? Here. I'll put it in her mouth and then hold it. Hold it right there. Nice job. Nice job. Are you still hungry, Lucy? That's very helpful. Ginger, are you a good big sister?
There's a bitty.
Is it? It's leaky. Yeah, it's leaky. That's okay. Are you a good big sister?
She's all done.
She's all done? All right. Say thanks, Ginger.